Are you wanting to attach files to specific projects inside of FunctionFox to share them with your team or possibly your clients? Flink is the file sharing add-on feature of FunctionFox and can be found underneath projects on the left-hand menu. Flink is designed for file sharing. This gives you the ability to also attach files from the project blog and while assigning actions. For now, we will cover uploading from the Flink page itself. When adding a file to the system, you will first want to select the client and project the file will be associated with. From there, you have two options for uploading the file. You can drag it from a folder directly into your browser or simply click the browser to open your folder menu. You can upload multiple files if you need to as well. Next, if you want feedback on a file, click the Post to Blog checkbox, as this will create a new blog post for that file. This can allow for feedback and discussion about a first draft, for instance. Lastly, add a subject and note for the file as well. Once you click Save New, the file will be down below. With the file saved, there are some things you can do. The information pertaining to the file can be edited, the file can be deleted, you can download it straight from the page, or send out a link for those external from your FunctionFox account to both download the file and provide feedback as well. This feedback will appear on the project blog page of the project associated with the file. Have a lot of files and want to clean up what is in your FunctionFox account? In the top right, you can click Tips and Links, then File Management. This will open a new page allowing you to go through and delete the files you no longer need anymore. Have further questions about Flink or other features in FunctionFox? Feel free to give us a call or email staycreative@functionfox.com, and we would be glad to help you focus on staying creative.